CHANDRISE Rebuilding. That means so much to me. You all just don't understand the journey I've been on. I've been away for almost 2 years. Been out of the game for almost 3, maybe 4. But I'm back now, giving it 100%. I got God on my side, and I'm doing nothing but great things. We headed all the way to the top, all the way. I'm not taking no for an answer this time. I pray, I keep God with me, I put him first, and I build and build and build.
I did it! I made it! I can't nobody take it for me. I did that!
I'm building my life back. I'm getting back what I lost. I'm getting back what someone tried to take from me.
I gotta go back down. Okay, never gonna stop, never gonna stop, never gonna stop.
I'm getting back what I let them have. I'm getting it all back. It's all about me now. I'm rebuilding my life. I'm making it happen.
I feel your pain. I feel your pain. Keep on.
This journey I just came from, it does not mean nothing to me. It's the journey I'm going on. It's where I'm finna go. And I'm taking you with me. Come on. CHANDRISE Rebuilding.